Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and I bet you a lot of you didn't think you would see this car again. And what I mean by that is, I had a bit of a thought. After I posted this video, read all your guys' comments, and just thought, I wanted to give this car away to you guys. And it's been a while since I've done a giveaway. That's also what sparked the idea. But also, it seemed that a lot of you really got attached to this car. And so did I. But, like I said, I want to give this car away and share a build with you guys. It's been a while, and I generally think you guys deserve this. So, guys, what I want to do for this giveaway is fairly simple. We've done giveaways in the past before, but for this one, I want you guys to comment Ratty Caddy down below if you're interested. I'm going to give you guys until next Monday to comment down below. And all you have to do, like I said, is comment down below Ratty Caddy, and you're entered to win. So like I said, guys, I just wanted to give this car away because I felt like I want to share something with you guys. And I thought this build would be not no better, but this would be the perfect build to share with you guys. So guys, remember, comment down below Ratty Caddy if you're interested. You have until Monday by 11:59 p.m. and we will be posting the winner the following day. Good luck to everybody, and remember, Ratty Caddy down in the comments to enter. Alright guys, good luck, and thank you for everything that you always do, all the love and support. I really appreciate it all. And this is a way of saying thank you to you guys. So thank you.